Hi guys, Miss Ashley here. Happy Father's Day! I'm excited because we're going to be making a Father's Day card today. Kind of matches my shirt a little bit today. But before we make the card, I've got a joke for you. It's definitely a dad joke. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Dad jokes. Let's get started. Hi guys, happy Father's Day. We've got a fun craft today. So I'm gonna use a sheet of paper and a paintbrush, a little bit of water in a jar, one sheet of paper towel, some rainbow washable markers, scissors, and some glue. Now to make my card, I'm going to first fold my card in half so it's the right size, just like that. And I'm gonna put the text on right away. So because this is a t-shirt themed Father's Day card, I'm gonna put for a T-rific. Dad! Now I'm leaving enough room that I can glue my tie-dye t-shirt onto the front of my card. Now I'm gonna write my message on the inside. Happy Father's Day. And you guys can write this too. Just follow these words. And from you, love, Ashley. Okay, now the inside of my card's done. I'm going to work on my tie-dye shirt. So I started with my red washable marker and I just drew some lines right across my paper towel. Now I tried to make sure that the colors were touching because when we add the water, they're going to bleed and blend into each other. So I'm going through the rainbow. I've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now once you've put all your colors down, you can take your paintbrush and your water and just add little drops. This is going to blend the washable markers and get those different colors showing up. Now I kept doing this until all of the colored part of my paper towel was wet. Once it has dried, you can go ahead and cut it into the shape of a t-shirt. Now what I did was cut it into a rectangle on the bottom and a couple of little rectangle sleeves and a scoop neck. Once it is all cut, you can take your glue, do a few little drops, and glue the t-shirt right to the card. For a terrific dad! I would love to see your guys' cards. Happy Father's Day, dads! See you next time! Bye!